Welcome to Meniuu. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up Meniuu for counter service. This setup is ideal for restaurants that take orders at the front counter, send them directly to the kitchen, and manage order pickup in a simple and organized way. In a typical counter service operation, the customer walks up to the counter, looks at the menu, places an order with the cashier, and the order is then sent to the kitchen for preparation. Depending on your restaurant, orders can be routed to one kitchen or divided by station, such as a hot kitchen and a cold kitchen. Each order can include an order number and the customer's name, so your staff can identify it clearly during preparation and pickup. Once the food is ready, your team can call the customer by name or by order number, depending on how your restaurant operates. For example, your staff may say, "Order for David," when the meal is ready. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure this flow step by step. We will show you how to create at least one cashier account, how to make sure the cashier can take orders from the counter, how to send those orders to the correct kitchen screen, and how to organize the pickup process so your team knows which order is ready and who it belongs to. If your restaurant uses more than one kitchen station, such as hot and cold preparation areas, we will also explain how orders can be separated so each team receives only the items they need to prepare. In addition, if you use a pickup or runner screen at the front, your staff can easily view the order details, see the customer name, and know which completed order should be handed out. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to set up a basic counter service workflow inside Meniuu, from the cashier to the kitchen to the final handoff to the customer. Let's begin.